Hello, I would like to talk a little bit today about stress and how it affects you when you're trying to conceive. So, as we all know, stress is very common these days. It can be a factor just of normal daily life, especially if you live in London, as I do. Just even your commute to work can be quite stressful. So, stress can have quite a negative impact on your fertility, because obviously, if you're stressed, you're kind of functioning in your fight or flight mode all the time, which means that you're releasing certain hormones into your bloodstream like adrenaline and cortisol, things like that, which are not helpful really when you're trying to promote your sort of body's natural hormones for fertility. So especially stress can become a problem when it starts to have other effects upon you physically. So as you probably all know, stress can affect sleep, it can affect digestion, and of course it can affect menstruation. So it can muck up your cycle, it can change your ovulation, it can delay your menstruation, it can delay your ovulation, it can make you skip your ovulation. So stress is really quite a big one, really. So the good news is that acupuncture is amazing for treating stress. So one of the kind of, well-known effects of acupuncture is its stress-busting powers. So most people, when they come for an acupuncture treatment, whether they're coming for fertility or if they're coming to see me for back pain, they will feel immediately relaxed. Once the needles go in, you feel a little sensation, which is actually the chi activating in the point. And then once that has passed, actually, most of my patients go into quite a deep sleep. And if they don't quite go to sleep, they go into that space in between sleeping and waking, so it's kind of drifting, and it can be really helpful. And people do report, they might come to see me for back pain and suddenly they report, I slept really well that night. So so acupuncture is great if you're feeling stressed, and even if you are just feeling stressed and everything else is normal, but you're feeling stressed about trying to conceive can be quite stressful, then acupuncture is a really good way to support you through this and to treat stress.